Hello, and in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to activate the DTW Tutorials app. Okay, so this is a desktop app, so you see a C here. For your Android, your phones, you see a letter A. Okay, and make sure you have the 5. That's this year's version. Okay, all right. So you click on this is your product key. Okay, so most times people ask what's the product key. This is the product key. It's unique to every system. Okay, whichever phone is unique, whichever laptop is unique, you click on activate. Okay, so you can actually buy. In buying, you can pay with your card or you can make a deposit. All right, paying with your card, you see this option, making a bank transfer, you pay directly here. Okay, and then send me directly through WhatsApp your product key and your evidence of payment, so I generate an activation key for you. If you want to use your bank app, this is card and all that. There are several things you can do with this. Okay, so here, so we say activate with key. So I have my key, so you just click and you just paste and you say activate. That's all. Activated. You restart your app, and that's all, and you have access to over 28,000 past questions for your app. So this is how to activate any of the DTW Tutorials app, be it the JAMB, SSC, Junior WAEC, or the Common Entrance app. Thank you.